Wait, did I turn too early? It says proceed to the route. I might have turned too early, dang it. Ah. I probably turned too early. More wheelie chances, I guess. Alright, that was my official, like, third wheelie. Alright, we gotta check the GPS, because I don't know if I turned too early or what the hell I did. Alright, yeah, I guess I turned too early. More wheelie chances now that I finally got the balls to continue letting the bike come up. Guys, this bike is bone stock. All I did was pull the ABS fuse. And you probably can hear it a little bit better because I drilled a couple holes in the exhaust, but that's it. Damn, this seating position is crushing my nuts though. Not too bad. This bike is very smooth. I'm not comfortable in a stock bike position, but the bike is forgiving enough to help me learn it quickly, I guess. It's so hot, dude. Texas is so hot. I need to see what the temperature of my bike is. It shows time and whatever else, but not the temp. Cool, man. Alright. I've only got 13% battery, but I'm going to try to rip it for a second. Just do like a quick little top speed test. Not right here though, obviously, because this is not the highway, but farther up. Wow, this looks fucking steep. Yeah, hopefully I get to the highway before the battery runs out. Alright, I don't know. Hopefully this is at a good angle for you. I can't really tell, but man, I should have had it recording for that stoplight. Like, this thing takes off, dude. It's fun. It's so fun. But yeah, I don't know. We're coming up on the part of the highway where I can top it out. I think this thing will hit 150. I don't really know. The only videos I've seen of this bike topping out, which there's probably some now on YouTube that I haven't seen, but the only ones I've seen, like the guy, he didn't, like, nobody has like pinned it to get there. They like slowly work their way up to the top speed, which I don't really understand why, but I mean, you know how I am. I'm gonna just send this bitch, so be too much traffic. What time is it? I didn't think it was traffic time. These cars got their blinker. Yeah, they're actually going. okay car. I didn't think, I was checking my mirrors, making sure there's no cops behind me or anything. And this car, I thought they were going straight, but they weren't. Anyway, alright, yeah, that's all I've really got for you. Hopefully my GoPro barely survived. Yeah, I was gonna wrap it up. This is just a chill little speed test for anybody wondering what the R7 can do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I don't know.